2 hours later...
Okay. Oh, that's the one.
She's out.
Oh, crumbs, I can feel her fangs rasping the machete. Wow. I am very, very glad that that wasn't my fingers. No, come back, come back. Okay, she won't go far away from her burrow. Come on, sweetheart.
She's a colossal size, and if she feels threatened, might well strike.
Okay, so the idea is to get her into a good position and just allow her to walk over my fingers. She's moving very fast, actually. Usually when these spiders are walking, they're quite slow. Oh, losing my nerve a little bit with this one. You just get a sense about their character. And sometimes they're just eager to bite. So this is the largest species of spider found in the whole world, and that's the closest I've ever been to being bitten by one. The fangs came out, they were ready to plunge in, but unbelievably, she just used them to steady herself on my finger, almost like they were an extra limb. Didn't plunge them in, and I'm very, very glad she didn't, because that would be so painful. It's said that the venom is no more intense than that of a wasp sting, but the fangs are so big that the pain you would suffer just purely from them being driven through your skin would be horrific. Wow, look at that, she is beautiful. Look at all these hairs that line the legs, incredibly fine. Those are incredibly sensitive to vibrations, so much so that she could sense the footfall of a tiny insect as it passes close by to her. And then these other hairs at the back of the abdomen, those, if you look at them under a microscope, are barbed. She'll kick them up into the air and they get into the nose, the eyes, the throat, and they're a fantastic defense. Arachnophobia is the most common human fear, and that's such a shame. We totally rely on spiders. They feed on pest insects that would otherwise make our world completely unlivable. I guess a lot of people would look at this as being a very good reason never to come to a jungle like this. Well, to me, this is the very best reason to come here. Go on then, sweetheart. Off you go.